In this video, I will show you how to use head and tail command in PowerShell. Basically, head and tail command is used in Linux to get the top 10 items or top items, and tail command is used to get the last 10 items. We can also use this head and tail command in PowerShell. Let me show you how. So first of all, we will get the list of the item using the Get-ChildItem command. So here are some of the items. Now I will show you how we can count the number of items in the current folder, that is C user Toshiba. So use this command Get-ChildItem and use this command measure object. So measure object tells you how many objects or files or folders are there. The count is 22. Now we will use the head command to select the top 10 or top 5, depend on your choice. Because in Linux, when we use the head command, it by default select the 10 objects, and if you use tail command, it automatically choose the last 10 lines or last 10 objects on the uh, on the screen. So let's use this command Get-ChildItem, select object first. After first, you can give any number like 10, 15, 20. It's your choice. So for this example, I will try with 5. So it has chosen the first 5, as you can see above. So if you want to use tail command, just change here last. So it will pick the last 5, as we have mentioned here 5. If you want to pick last 10, we can just change it to 10. So it will choose the last 10 items uh, in that directory. So in this way, we can use the head and tail command in Linux. Thanks for watching.